Do you struggle to speak English fluently? Here is the number one secret English learners don't know, and it works fast. Welcome to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is easy, slow, and fun. Today, I will teach you a powerful speaking technique to sound more natural in English. It's called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. Choose a short, clear English audio from a movie, a podcast, or my videos. First, listen once and understand. Then, play it again and speak with the speaker. Don't pause. Don't stop. Don't worry about mistakes. Copy the speed, the rhythm, and the emotion. This trains your tongue, your brain, and your accent. Just 5 minutes a day will make a huge difference. You will speak faster. Your pronunciation will sound real, and you will train your brain to think in English. Start shadowing with me right now. Practice daily and watch your English transform. Like, subscribe, and join our English family here on Mr. English Podcast, learning English made easy for everyone.